Viviana Rossi revealed herself as a professional aerial artist from Spain. Viviana Rossi identified herself as a professional aerial performer from Spain on the AGT stage. Rossi's age has piqued people's interest. She is 26 years old and the newest star of America's Got Talent. She wowed the judges, panel and the audience, who clapped for her right away. Similarly, the Spanish aerialist had long wanted to perform on an American stage and couldn't think of a finer venue than AGT. Viviana Rossi is a young woman displaying her gorgeous aerial stunts. She was born in Barcelona, Spain on February 16, 1996. She stunned the judges and the audience who greeted her with applause right away. Rossi's success is that she has performed in a variety of countries. Rossi's performance included amazing aerial maneuvers using water and a bathtub, according to Judge Simon Cowell. Rossi, who is both handsome and talented, received 4 eyes from the audience as expected. Her father, Annie Rossi, works as a circus trainer. After her marriage to Annie, her mother, Gloria Jimenez, joined their line of entertainers. She is currently employed by Cirque du Soleil, an entertainment organization, and earns a livelihood from her work. The Italian-Spanish Rossi family is pleased with her AGT accomplishments in Spain. Rossi is an incredible woman who motivates other women to be as bold as she is and to overcome any injury or hurdle to achieve their goals. Rossi has already played on a larger stage, including in Italy's 2C Key Wells in 2019, which Rossi considers one of her most unforgettable experiences. Rossi is an incredible woman who motivates other women to be as bold as she is and to overcome any injury or hurdle to achieve their goals. Her grace as a sensual woman on stage has gotten her a lot of attention, and her aerial talent is the icing on the cake. Viviana Rossi is from an Italian family with a history of circus acts. Rossi is an amazing woman who inspires other women to be as brave